love books and I love using books in my sessions. Often SLPs come up to me and they ask, how do I know the right book to choose? So today I want to offer up 4 tips for choosing great books for great speech language therapy sessions. The first one is make sure the books are age appropriate. So Goodnight Moon is a great book. However, it's not appropriate for a high school student. Remember, SLPs, you're good at differentiating the content. The second tip that I have for you is great illustrations go a long way. Personally, for me, I like to use Caldecott books. These are books that have already been honored for their great illustrations. One example would be A Chair for My Mother. It's a book about how a family recovers and rebuilds after a fire. Here's another one, Henry's Freedom Box. It's a book about the Underground Railroad. The third tip that I have for you is, if you don't know, ask your librarian. And for those of us who work in the schools, that campus-based librarian has already pulled books off the shelves, great books that are appropriate for specific grade levels. And the last thing is, think about your favorite childhood book. I remembered having a graduate student, Megan, and she didn't know what book to choose. So I said, hey, Megan, what's your favorite book? And she said, I love Hecate Peg by Audrey and Don Wood. So she started using it in therapy, and the kids loved it because she loved it. And then if you still don't know what books to choose, we've already done the work for you. On our speech therapy blog, we have lists and lists of books. And then also in our literacy-based resource tool, we have lists of books according to theme and also grade level. So there you have it, SLPs. Those are some tips for choosing great books for speech therapy. Thanks.